Veganism. It's a word that might stir up strong opinions, bring a specific image to mind, or maybe you picture a lifestyle that's just a passing trend. But here's the deal, veganism isn't new, and it's definitely not a fad. Let's take closer into the top misconceptions about veganism, and how to overcome them. So, if you've ever had doubts, hesitations, or just plain questions about veganism, stick around. This might just surprise you. One of the biggest myths: that veganism is only for the privileged. I get it, people say vegan food is expensive, and let's be honest, some items are. But here's the truth, some of the world's most affordable foods are naturally vegan. I'm talking about staples like lentils, beans, oats, and rice. These items have fed communities across the globe for centuries and are accessible in most grocery stores. Sure, there are fancy vegan products, but at its core, veganism can be simple, affordable, and accessible. Next up, the idea that vegan diets lack nutrients. You might hear that veganism will leave you weak, lacking protein, or even suffering from nutrient deficiencies. But let's clear the air. A balanced vegan diet can provide all the nutrients your body needs. Protein. Think chickpeas, quinoa, and tofu. Healthy fats. Nuts, seeds, and avocados. And iron. Dark leafy greens and fortified cereals are fantastic sources. With just a bit of planning and some variety, a vegan diet is not only nutritionally sound but can be incredibly nourishing and satisfying. Some people think vegan food is nothing more than a plate of raw vegetables or endless salads. But here's the thing, some of the world's most flavorful cuisines are naturally vegan. Think about hearty Indian curries, spicy Mexican tacos, or comforting Italian pasta dishes. Vegan food can be as diverse, spicy, sweet, or savory as you want it to be. With a little creativity, there's zero reason for vegan food to be boring. Let's talk about one of the biggest mental barriers, the idea that you have to go vegan overnight or not at all. This couldn't be further from the truth. Veganism isn't a race, it's a journey. Many people start with meatless Mondays, swap dairy for plant-based milk, or try vegan meals a few times a week. It's all about making mindful, gradual changes that feel right for you. Every small step counts, and there's no such thing as a perfect vegan. Ever heard the joke about the vegan who has to tell everyone they're vegan? Sure, some vegans are vocal, but honestly, that's not the norm. Most vegans are just trying to live in a way that aligns with their values, and if they do talk about it, it's often because they're excited or passionate, not because they're judging you. So, the next time someone shares a vegan recipe, they might just want to share something they love. And let's be real, respecting each other's choices goes both ways, right? So there you have it, the biggest misconceptions about veganism, debunked. Remember, veganism is accessible, diverse, nutritious, and most importantly, personal. Whether you're vegan, curious, or somewhere in between, there's always space for you in the conversation. If this helped clear up any myths, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and maybe share this video with a friend who needs a little myth busting in their life. Thanks for watching, and remember, every step, no matter how small, is a part of your journey.